Yes, this is the best LED projector for 2025. Okay, and I'll be unboxing it with you, and I'll be showing you how it looks like. The most cost efficient, high resolution LED projector. Okay, and it's very portable, as you can see. So I'm going to open it with you, see what it comes with. Okay, box, nothing is there. Wow, compared to all the projectors, this one is very, very slim. You can see it's actually very, very slim. It's very, very slim. Okay, in the box comes a remote. There is an adapter, and then they'll give you these audio pins. Very nice. The projector is very, very small. Like, it can literally fit in my hand. This is the thinnest projector that you can get on the market today. All right, so on the side here comes with a Type-C charging. It has an aux port. On the back side here comes an HDMI port. They have a USB port. This is where you put your flash disk. If you have any movies or what on the flash, you'll put it here. HDMI if you want to connect to your laptop or what. So here you have the power button. You have the stop, play, rewind button, refresh button. So the other thing that is different here, you can see you can zoom in and zoom out. So there is a little button here. Once you press it down, you move it down, the zoom button goes down, goes inside. When you move it up, it comes outside. Okay. This is the smallest projector that you can get on the market today. Very nice projector. So I'm going to test it for you at night, and then I show you how it works. Remember to give me a like, subscribe, and follow. KT Gadgets Uganda, the only channel in Uganda that brings you unique gadgets. Yes.
Kasema twamaze tukafuna mpriti zilizala kirwa sound manga okuva mu Andromatic. Nenga kasema tetolekera waliwo mukuru yakasaba itwa pages okuva mu abeka band. So muganda wa kasema twakafunye era tugenda kafa bakula ne Mungu afata abali. Yasi kwetulo kalire. Mukutandika kabatu kabando diasi Colombia pictures akosomusa mu kusoma kwisa obakawe. Abakalizo mwako mujja ne Christmas.